I'm a Rhino, and I love being a Rhino. St. Patrick's School has empowered me through my talents, giving me the innovative social and academic social skills that have helped me become an enterprising leader.
We are a COGNIA-accredited school that, with along their best practices and our technological curriculum, combines innovative methods to make learning fun and significant.
Our new techno-pedagogical framework integrates innovative teaching methods that provide the ability for teachers to make use of technology effectively. It is possible for our students to learn being home or at school. Critical thinking, global citizenship, and lifelong learners are only a few of the new student profile skills that we are putting into practice.
St. Patrick's School encourages students to enhance their educational experience by participating in academic and extracurricular activities as part of their school life, in courses such as personal finance, debate, college counseling, entrepreneurship, and wellness. As a leader in these schools, students not only develop academic skills, but also the abilities and values needed to become global citizens.
Join us at our next open house to see what St. Patrick has to offer. You can also be a Rhino.